The 2026 Honda CR-V arrives not just as an update, but as a bold statement of what a modern SUV should be. For over 2 decades, the CR-V has been the backbone of the global family vehicle market. And for the 2026 model year, Honda has pushed the boundaries of luxury, efficiency, and ruggedness further than ever before. This year's model focuses on a sophisticated tough philosophy, blending a premium executive feel with a newfound adventurous spirit. Whether you are navigating the tight corners of a concrete jungle or exploring the winding roads of the countryside, the 2026 CR-V is engineered to be your most reliable and technologically advanced companion. Visually, the 2026 CR-V demands attention. The front fascia has been completely reimagined with a larger, more aggressive hexagonal honeycomb grille that flows seamlessly into the sleek, darkened full LED headlight units. The hood is noticeably longer, giving the car a powerful, athletic proportion usually reserved for high-end European SUVs. Moving to the side profile, the 2026 model features a sharp, continuous character line that connects the front fenders to the signature vertical LED taillights, which have been updated with a more crystalline, 3D structure. The wheel arches are more pronounced, housing new 19-inch Berlina black alloy wheels on the RS and Sport Touring trims. For 2026, Honda also introduces the Trailsport edition, which adds rugged underbody protection, all-terrain tires, and an exclusive solar silver metallic paint option, signaling that this CR-V is ready to get dirty. Step inside, and you are greeted by a cabin that feels like a sanctuary. Honda has elevated the man maximum, machine minimum philosophy to new heights. The dashboard features a stunning metal honeycomb mesh that cleverly hides the air vents, creating a clean and uncluttered look. Every surface you touch, from the leather-wrapped steering wheel to the soft touch door panels with ambient lighting, exudes quality. The center stage is taken by a massive 12.3-inch floating HD touchscreen powered by the latest Google built-in software. This means Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Play Store are integrated directly into the car's ecosystem, functioning independently of your smartphone. However, for those who prefer it, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are lightning fast. For the audiophiles, the 2026 CR-V features a bespoke 12-speaker Bose Centerpoint surround system, specifically tuned to the cabin's acoustics to provide a concert-like experience on every drive. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda CR-V continues to lead the hybrid revolution. The star of the show is the 4th-generation HEV hybrid system. This powertrain pairs a refined 2.0-liter direct-injection Atkinson cycle engine with a powerful dual-motor system. Together, they produce a combined 107 horsepower and a massive 335 Nm of torque, available almost instantly. What makes the 2026 system special is its intelligence. It can switch between EV drive, hybrid drive, and engine drive so smoothly that the driver barely notices. The new linear shift control mimics the feel of a traditional gear shift during hard acceleration, providing a more engaging sporty sensation. For those opting for the real-time AWD system, Honda has updated the software to send up to 50% of torque to the rear wheels, significantly improving stability in snow, mud, or during spirited cornering. Finally, we cannot talk about the 2026 CR-V without mentioning safety. Honda has upgraded its Honda Sensing Suite with a new 90-degree wide-angle camera and a 120-degree radar. This allows the car to see more of its surroundings, improving the accuracy of the collision mitigation braking system and the adaptive cruise control. New for 2026 is the Traffic Jam Assist, which handles steering, braking, and acceleration in heavy stop-and-go traffic, drastically reducing driver fatigue. With its ACE advanced compatibility engineering, body structure, and 10 standard airbags, this vehicle is designed to achieve the highest safety ratings globally. The 2026 Honda CR-V isn't just a car. It's a commitment to your family's peace of mind. It is, quite simply, the best CR-V ever made. Inside the cabin, the CR-V 2026 offers a spacious and upscale environment characterized by high-quality materials and a driver-centric layout. The interior experience is defined by a significant technological leap, featuring a larger, more responsive touchscreen interface with Google built-in and seamless wireless connectivity for smartphones. Honda has also focused on enhancing passenger comfort by improving sound, insulation for a whisper-quiet ride, and optimizing the seating. Ergonomics to ensure long distance. Travel remains effortless for the whole family under the hood. The 2026 model continues to lead in efficiency with an upgraded HEV hybrid powertrain that delivers more immediate torque and a smoother transition between electric and gasoline modes. This advanced system is designed to provide a spirited driving experience while maintaining class-leading fuel economy.